Hi, I'm Selasi Gbormittah and I studied economics and finance here at Nottingham Trent University between 2005 and 2008, so I'm an old one. I feel really humbled and grateful that I've been honoured, and it wasn't expected, but I've always worked to my greatest advantage and knowledge, and obviously had so many people around me, so it's been good, and I feel honoured and grateful for this award. I think one of the biggest things I've learned here is basically being disciplined in everything that I did. I mean, we had fun in the first year, but towards the second and third year, you've got to understand to take things seriously and then plan for your future and just set good goals and be consistent with them. I'm not sure if he's still here, but Phil Quinn, who was a really great lecturer of mine, and he was very supportive and just very understanding and just caring in terms of the way he approached his teaching with the students. Nottingham Trent is, well, Nottingham in general is a great city to be in, and to have come here was really fun, and you meet so many good people, you make new friends, and you create a family here, and the buzz at university is great. You've got supportive staff, you've got supportive students, and yeah, you get to have fun whilst doing all of that and gain your grades, of course.